Hey everybody, it's Alma. Welcome back to Keto Meets Menopause. You see it? It's lifted. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Hey everybody, it's Alma. Welcome back to the kitchen, guys. I am doing something I've not tried to make before, and this is bread. Let's go ahead and go over the dry ingredients right now. So here's our flour. We have 1 1/4 cups of almond flour. We have 5 tablespoons of psyllium husk. We have 1 tablespoon of lovely nutritional yeast. We have 1 teaspoon of sea salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. And then we have our wet ingredients. All right, so we're gonna get ready to add those in. Let me just get my sticks, guys. I don't have a gorgeous, lovely KitchenAid. And so I don't have anything to mix bread with. So I'm gonna just try and paddle sticks. We're just gonna see if that does anything. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. You might just start laughing at me. I have the one for dough, but I don't know how it would do with this. I mean, it makes the most sense, right? Anyway, this is how we're gonna do it. We'll see what happens. All right, so here we go, guys. It says first to add in your 3 egg whites and your 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. We're gonna add in our water. And that's a cup of hot, boiling hot water. Teaspoon of the activated yeast. And what I'm using is this, it's upside down, but you'll see the Fleshman's. Got that at Walmart. And then we're gonna mix this a little bit, let it kind of incorporate a little bit. And then get our blender attachment going, all right? All right, guys, so I have my parchment paper out. Actually, I didn't have parchment paper, so I had to use 2 of my pizza parchments. And here's what my dough looks like, guys. Let me get my hands wetter. I'm just gonna give this the old college try, see what happens. She makes 6 with her recipe. See, right? Looks like. All right, and there we go. I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees. We're gonna bake this on the middle rack for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, guys. There we go, you see them? Pray for me, guys, I don't know. Thank you so much for allowing me to spend time with you. If you haven't already done so, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification button so that you'll know each time I post a new video. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye-bye.
Choice Wednesday, it's so neato. Now here's my wife to teach us keto. Pork rinds, rah, rah, rah. Carbohydrates, blah, blah, blah.